Okay, this is Lenovo driving video front and rear DVR recorder. This is using a secret plug for power supply. Okay, so it is a blue screen. Okay, blue screen. It has a 4.3 small screen to control the front and rear viewing. This one is front and this one is back cam. This is setting. Resolution is 1080p. Image quality 3 megapixels. This is log recording. Maximum 5 minutes. Normally we set is 3 minutes. Motion detect. Audio sound recorder. Day tag. Language setting. Time setting. Okay. Auto power off and screen saver. So for this Lenovo driving video recorder, it's available for front and rear. Its screen is 4.3 inch screen mirror IPS screen. IPS screen for the 4.3 inch. For the rear cam recorder, it can be used to rear parking camera also. You can see the line. And it have a LED on the mirror, on the rear camera. Okay, this is model Lenovo V3 model, V3 DVR front and rear recording. Thank you.